Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you your chapter perimeter and area. Okay, so what is perimeter and what is area? Okay, what is perimeter? Perimeter is total boundary length of a closed figure. It may be the closed figure, it may be a triangle, it may be a quadrilateral, it may be a pentagonal, any shape. Okay, so this is your perimeter. For suppose this one A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5 centimeter. Clear? So B to C, let it be 2 centimeter. C to D, let it be 3 centimeter. D to E, let it be 4 centimeter. E to F, let it be 5 centimeter. And A to F, let it be 3 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this figure? Okay, so perimeter means total boundary length of this figure. That means you have to add both A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F and A, F. Okay, so what is the perimeter of this figure? So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. So 5 for 9, 5, 14 plus 5, 19 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this figure? Is your 19 centimeter. Let it one triangle. Suppose A, B, C, this is your 6 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this triangle? So 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. That is total distance covered by the figure. Yeah, total length. Okay, boundary length. Clear? This is your perimeter. So in case of a rectangle, you know that rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Clear? So suppose this is 4 centimeter, this one also 4, this is 5 centimeter, this one also 5. Okay, so what is the perimeter of this rectangle? 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5. That means 18 centimeter. Clear? So sum of, how do you find out the perimeter of figure? The sum of all the sides. Clear? Sum of all the sides is your perimeter of any shape. So let's find out first perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. What is the formula? Sum of 3 sides. For example, AB, that means AB plus BC plus CA. Sum of 3 sides. Clear? Now perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is your, suppose this is the rectangle. So sum of 4 sides. Clear? That means AB plus BC plus CD plus D. So you know that AB is your CD. So in case of AB plus CD, you can write AB plus DA, you can write BC. So AB, CD equal hai. That's why you write CD, AB. So 2AB plus 2BC. That means 2 into AB plus BC. So what is ABBC? Where AB is your length, then BC is your breadth. So what is the formula? So formula is 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of square. So square has all sides equal. Let it be A. All sides are equal. So A plus A plus A plus A. That means 4A. Yeah, 4 into side. Yeah, A is the side. side of a square. Clear? This is all about your perimeter. So perimeter means total the boundary length. So how do you find out total boundary length? By adding both the line segments, both the boundaries. Okay. So these are the formulas. Number 1, sum of 3 sides. Number 2, 2 into length plus breadth. Number 3, 4 into side. These are the 3 formulas of perimeter of rectangle, triangle and square. Okay, these are the 3 formulas. You remember this one? Now, here, what is area? So, what do you mean by area? You know the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of your any figure. Okay, now what is area? Area is amount of surface covered by any shape. Suppose the shape square you take. This is the shape of a square. So what is the area? The inside this, the shape covered, the space. This shape is this is the area. Clear? Area of your area of the square. This is your area. Okay? So amount of surface, this surface covered by any shape. So what is the area of a square? Let me suppose this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter because square has all sides equal. So what is the area? 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter square. Then square, centimeter square and meter square, yeah, kilometer square is the unit of area. What is the unit of area? Is your centimeter square, it may be meter square, it may be kilometer square. Okay, these are the unit. So how do you find out what is the formula of area of square? Your area of square is side into side. Yeah, A into A square. A, where A is the side of the square. Okay. Now come to your area of rectangle. Suppose this is length, this is breadth. So side into side, you know that's covered by the shape. Okay, this shape covered by the space. Okay, so this is your area of this rectangle. So what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So area of square is your side into side. Area of rectangle is your length into breadth. Okay. This is all about your perimeter and area of rectangle, square and triangle. Okay. Now, if this is the shape, this is the shape of a circle. So, what is its perimeter? So, what is you call the perimeter of the circle? It is called circumference. What is it called? Circumference. Circumference. Okay. Circumference means total boundary length of the figure. So, in case of circle, you can tell circumference of the circle, meaning perimeter of circle. Okay, but we should tell circumference of the circle. What is the formula? Circumference of the circle is your 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. This is your r. Okay. So, circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Okay, this is all about your perimeter and area of rectangle and square.